What's going on YouTube? CPU Slayer here, back with another video. Oh man, talk about a long time. But I'm back with another video. It's been so long since I've done one. Life change, things happen, and I just want to come back and do this thing right. So start off, get myself back into the rhythm and grooves. I'm gonna do this quick unboxing for these Tozo True Bluetooth wireless headphones. Just a quick background. I wanted to look for some Bluetooth headphones that were truly wireless, that didn't have the cables or anything, and these were something that I seen on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And it was just something that I wanted to try out new. I wanted something new. I didn't want any cables. I didn't want anything like that. And I wanted something that sounded good, maybe had some decent bass on it. And these were the ones that people said that had decent bass. So let's get to it real quick. So as you can take a look at the box. It's Tozo. They got it in this chrome writing, silver writing, the headset, T8 handset. On the back, you got a QR code on the back of it. They even tell you where to search at. Go to Google and say Tozo store, I guess, to find some more of their items. And I did do that. They sell all kind of little gadgets and stuff, so I don't know, barcodes and stuff like that. But let's take a look in the box. Let's see what we got here. This box is pretty difficult to get unboxed, you know what I'm saying? So let's see what we got here. All right, first up, you have the manual, that's what that is, user manual. Alrighty, we got the how to pair guide right here. Some simple, teach you how to do it on iOS. I like how they use iOS, the iPhone X. That's funny. Okay, show you how you put it in your ear. Okay, 1 year warranty, letting you know that. They tell you got 14 days to do it. Alrighty, and follow us on the back. Alrighty, let's see what we got in the box. So let's see what we got here. We got the case. All right, not too bad. A little small, on the small side. I'll be a little scared to lose it. Alrighty, we got the two buds here. Pull these things out. They don't look that small. Oh, put that back. My bad. Live recording here. Okay. Two little prongs here. Look like these are the chargings at the bottom. The head buds, left and right. Probably the LEDs up top right here. Something that I'm looking at. Clickable buttons. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Alrighty, let's see what we got in this box here. Probably something simple, who knows. Okay, they got some earbuds. Let's see what we got in here. Earbuds, okay. Cable, a USB, a very short, like what? 5-inch cable? No, it's not even 5 inches. This maybe what? 2.5, 3 inches. Really small, and some extra earbuds. Some for the ears for people who got big holes in their ears. Yeah, they say they're gonna accommodate y'all, so that's good. I guess I don't know if people, maybe somebody with small ears wants to, be silenced more. Maybe so. Who knows? Noise isolation, noise cancellation, things of that nature. So okay, so that's what we have in the box. Ain't too much going on here. These buds, look, not a bad size. I did try them out actually, and see how they felt in the ears. They were very comfortable. I wish they had something to actually hold them in the ear, because I don't believe these will stay in your ear as long if I was doing some exercises or anything like that. But nah, I don't think they will, but who knows. The case is pretty small. We're taking a look at it compared to the Samsung, because I have actually a pair of those too, and I do a quick size comparison to let you know how size it is. Little two prongs right there for the charging. Both go in there like this. Let me see. Left side, boom, like that, and right side, bam. So there they go like that. And they fit in there like that. But let me show you what the size comparison is. You can tell that's the size comparison to both of these devices, and the size that they have. And the Samsung is obviously bigger. Now, as far as charging, I don't know if it's just because they're bigger because of the battery capacity, but whatever. Both have charging ports on the back of them. Take micro USB, LED lights on the back. As far as actual bud size comparison, they're pretty close in size. So let me see here. Take them out, just put them next to each other, so yeah, I can at least take a look at them for a size comparison. So as you can tell, they are pretty close in size. Obviously this is rounder compared to these. I'll let you make a decision on that, how they look from here. You know, far as size though, they're pretty small. Looks close. One's wider. Definitely this is longer, and this is shorter without the ear attachment to it. Not very many sensors on the Tozo, I can tell you that right now. Not as many prongs as you can look on the inside. Not as many prongs. So that lets me know there's not a lot of features. But that's the one thing that I've always noticed with some of these off-brand Bluetooth headsets that you get from Amazon or something like that. A lot of these Bluetooth headsets don't have a lot of features, and man, if they did, they'll probably have a really good selling point. But that's the main thing that I noticed that they lacked, and you know, maybe that's something that a lot of companies can improve on if they have some feature like that. But other than that, that's about it. This is what all comes in a box. You know, 2 extra earbuds, USB cable, paper, manual, all that. So tell your friends, tell your family, tell your mailman. Until next time, peace. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what the headbuds you like to see, and I'll do another video, but I'm gonna be doing some more shortly, so I just want to get back into it. So y'all have a good one. Be blessed. Peace.